Okay, for the next question, we're going to increase 240 by 2.5%. So have a look at how you might do that. First thing you want to do is work out what the new percentage is that we're working out, and then we're going to use the table method this time. Okay, so here comes the solution. 100% plus 2.5% is 102.5%. That's what we need to work out. So if we get started with this, we're going to first start off with 100% is 240. We can work out 1%, which is, you're going to divide by 100, which is 2.4. 2% is double that. So double 2.4 is 4.8. We're also going to work out half a percent. So 0.5%, or half a percent is going to be half of 2.4, which is 1.2. From this, we can work out 102.5%, because we're going to add 100 and 2.5, 100 and 2.5. So this will become 102.5% is equal to, let's do the calculation on the side, 240 plus 4.8. So let's add a decimal zero there, plus 1.2. So the 8 and the 2, you're going to carry the 1, keep the decimal where it is, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2. So you get 246. Now, because this is money, we're going to make sure this is labelled as pounds. There's your answer. Okay, here comes the next question. Pause the video and have a go, have a think about what this might look like. Okay, so first thing we want to do here is I would suggest putting the 100% a bit lower. Now, if we're increasing by 100%, we already have 100%, we're adding on another 100%. So what we're actually doing is working out 200%. So let's label that here. 200%. Remember, these number lines are not drawn to scale. If it was, this would be a bit higher up. It would be twice as high. So next thing we're going to do here is work out how to get there. So this is relatively straightforward, because we're just going to multiply by 2. And we're going to do the same thing here, multiply by 2. So 240 times 2 is going to be 480. And that is going to be your answer, 480 pounds. Okay, just 2 more examples before you practice more questions on an exercise. Increase 240 by 120%. Pause the video and have a go, and then I'll explain how to do it. We can check our work. Okay, so increase by 120%. So first of all, we have 100%. We are adding 120%. That means we want 220%. So let's work this out. I'm going to move this down a bit just for the sake of my diagram here. Okay, so we have 100%. We're going to need to work out 200%. And then we're going to need to work out 220%. So let's do that first. Let's work out 20%. So 20% is going to be, we're going to require us to divide by 5. We're going to do the same thing here, divide by 5. That gives us 48. 200% is going to be double, so double 240 is 480. And then we work out what we need to add to get 220. Well, 220 consists of 220%, so 480 plus 48. That's going to give us, so 480 plus 48 is 528. This is again money, so 5 to 8 is our answer. Okay, last example before the exercise. When 600 is increased by 20%, the final percentage will be what? So 600, we are adding 20% on. The final percentage will be what? Okay, I hope you've selected the right answer. It's going to be 120%. So 120% is what we're going to need to work out. One way to work this out quickly is perhaps to work out 20% first, which is going to be 120, because you divide by 5, and then you add this together. So 600 plus 120, 720. Okay. Have a go with this exercise here. Pause the video. And here come the answers. So you can check in 3, 2, 1. Those are the answers. Okay, so you now know how to do percentage increase without a calculator using the double number line or the table. Hope you found this video useful. I'll see you in the next one. Hit subscribe, smash the like button.
Because I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and doggone it, people like me.